Just look at this adorable little boy. It's a pug, if you didn't already know. And it's a cake, of course. What a cute little squishy face. Wrinkly face. So this was created using the Molly I can never say that, creature creator, which has given me the base shape, and from that you decorate whichever way you want to. And today it's a pug on his little purple blanket. So I've used the airbrush to highlight the darker areas. You can't actually see the detail on his little nose. Oh, that's a little bit better in the light. But his little squished nose and his little wrinkles on his head. So this has all been created using just straightforward fondant. I covered the whole thing in this tan colour and then just built up his wrinkles around his face and his ears. I added the feet before I covered the whole thing, so it all looked like it was one, instead of having to sort of try and merge the legs into the body, which you can do as well. But this way I just found it a little bit easier. And then I've airbrushed his little nose, airbrushed the shadowed areas, and then just gone into his wrinkles a bit more to make them stand out. And then gone round and popped this fondant blanket on and airbrushed that as well, just to make it sort of stand out more, so you can see the wrinkles in his blanket too. So yeah, that's the little pug cake. I don't know if I could bear to cut and eat him. Cutie pie.